Okay, now go forward. Stay. Move backward. Okay, hold. Oh. Oh my God. Hey, feel the power. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's a strong. I found it tighten anymore, yeah. Okay, you almost tired. You see, honestly, he's tired already. Yeah. See, what? See. Second Chaophraya. Well done, William. Hook yourself. Yeah, land yourself. Okay, let's go. Push it down. Go. Push, push. Oh, hold the tail. Yeah. Hook. Yes. Well done. Stronger a bit. Then he's strong.
Yeah, he's still strong.
Yeah, he's strong. There you go. All right. Yes. Wow. What a day to end the day, huh?
Man, I tell you, that was great.
Yeah, it was great. Okay, come. This side. Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh. Yes. Stay. Move out. Just move out. Yeah. Oh, this is bigger.
Yeah.
Much bigger. Okay, good. Stay. Just stay. Oh yeah, stay. Strong, huh? For this type of size, I see strong. You see.
Yeah, he's a strong one.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, no need photo, Okay. Finally get your snakehead, giant snakehead some more. Nice.
Hell yeah.
Sorry, put down.
A few moments later.
What is that? Oh, catfish.
Catfish?
Yes, this is a small catfish. The small one, another species. See, on the mouth. Look at that.
Yeah. That's a blue cat to me. Is that a blue
This is
cat?
recorded Asia red tail.
Okay.
First fish of the day. Well done, William. Yes, good. Come, release. Okay, open here. Open.
Okay.
Water into the water here. Okay, good. Yes. Good job. Oh, I told you. Paramendi. This is sea bass. Yeah, you fight. Just fight about it. Strong. They are strong. It's okay. This one you can fight because this is fight. Yeah, you can pull.
Oh boy.
Strong, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, pull. Can you go to the left a bit? Okay, look up. Okay. Okay, here. Because I need to pull the fish up here.
Yeah.
You move out. Yeah, pull. Up. So move out. You move out. Don't move. I do. Oh, like sea bass, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look here. Yes.
Yeah,
Oh. Okay, here. Come to this side. Come. Yeah, because here you have to bring. Okay, here you stand back. Here. This is the spot. Jump. Okay, move out. Best. Okay, wait. I do. Swallow all.
Tap the line.
Yes, yes, up. Okay.
Oh, you
Going down already. Yes, this is paku. Like piranha, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So I guess the no swimming area.
Yes. See, see, see? Yeah, yeah, it's a good one. Wait, say. Don't pull. I do. Oh. Yes. Okay, pump, fight. Yes, they're strong. See. Whoa, nice.
In the same spot right there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Okay. Small one, huh? Hey. Okay. Up. Bye. Okay, release. Okay, go here. Yes.
Good job. That was a good one.
Oh yeah. Ooh, boy. Yeah, see? So when we move back, we are using the water buoyancy. Stop. Yes. Do the same thing. Stop. Yes. See? Safer way, see?
Coming in.
He's coming in because the water, see? You're not forcing him, right? Yeah, we're using the water itself.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, this is easy and also safest, you know? See? Okay. See, don't let, see?
Oh.
Yeah, I told you. Wait. Still strong. See, yeah, it's not ready. A bit more. See, it's almost tired already. Okay. Up the rock a bit. Okay. Move back. Stay. Okay. Okay, wait. Further. More. Up. Yes. Stronger. Yes. Okay. Look at.
Good job, man.
Oh my.
A few moments later.
Good. Yes. See. See. Okay. Play safe. Okay. Good. Oh my god. See. This is the last one. We no more already. This is the last bet. I don't know whether I can land or not. Hopefully. Okay, good. Slowly. Yeah, you can enjoy it. Yeah. See, he's laying struggle. He struggle. We just hold. Okay, bring up the rod a bit. Hold. You're going to mine again. Bring out the rod a bit. Hold here. No, you must hold here. It's easier. Up a bit because I don't see him, you see. It's not ready yet, it's here. If ready, he will come to the survey. Go forward. Okay, hold it, up. Come this side. Okay, go forward. Up the rock, okay. Drag him back, yes. You see, with the water, drag him back. Yeah, drag him back. Oh, yeah, see? I see, drag him back. Come forward. Okay, good one. Second Chaophraya. Well done, William. Hook yourself.
Yeah,
Land
buddy.
yourself. Okay, let's go. Push it down. Go, push. Oh, hold the tail. Yeah, hook. Yes, well done. Stronger a bit. Then he's strong.
Yeah, he's still strong.
Yeah, he's strong. Here you go. All right. Yes. Oh. What a day to end the day, huh?
Man, I tell you, that was great.
That was great. Sorry. Come on. Oh! นี่แหละเฮ้ยเชี่ยยังมีที่ทำไมตัวเร็วกันหรือเปล่า sorry move over อุ้ย snake อุ้ยแล้วเราเอากระหลุกwe go don't pull okay stay ya go on buka oh yes oh nice size sama finally get your snakehead, giant snakehead somehow. Well done, William. Okay, release. Okay, open. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, go. นั่นเป็ดกูเนี่ยบอกบิ๊กปากกูตุ้ยกับปากกูเลยก็เอาขึ้นมาเลยตัวยายที่นี่ดูปากกูผมไปบอก see big very big yeah okay wait for you wait yeah oh okay it's a big size